Alright, today we are doing free mod. Only if you have some vinyl wrap laying around, you can do this mod. Everything you need is the vinyl wrap and this thing. That's all. If you have a knifeless tape, that's gonna be nice. But today we're gonna make custom badge. I'm gonna make this black. That's what people do, right? But I'm gonna do all of them black and just leave this chrome line in the middle and see how it looks. If not, I can just take these two off. But instead of putting the vinyl wrap on there and cutting it using my razor blade, which might scratch it, high chance it's gonna, so I'm just laying it on top of this, cutting it precisely to what I want it, and then probably do one and make 4 other ones, just tracing it on this and then laying it on there. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Let's get to it. And we have rubbing alcohol to clean the surface so it sticks better. Alright, so we got one corner here, making sure it's nice. Yep, and then cutting around it, just a rough cut. Alright, so since I want it to be very precise, that's why I'm using this. You don't have to, but I think it's gonna be the best if I do this. Take the vinyl wrap off, lay it on one of these, perfectly on the 1/4. Alright, push this in, push it in, make sure you find that line, this line around here. Then when you find it, just cut it. So I'm gonna do that by pressing it down like this. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and send it. Boom. Alright, so as you can see, we have this maybe over here a little bit more. So not gonna lie, the print wasn't super obvious when I put this on because it's kind of thick, the vinyl wrap. So I'm not able to run the razor super close to the lines of the badge. But as far as it goes, you get the idea. You take this off now. Then you put it here. Now we're gonna do it for all 4, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. But that's the idea. Alright, that's what we got. Let me know if you like it like this, or wait a second. Let me do it. So these are the pieces. I just traced it on the back of the vinyl wrap and made more based off that one that I made. Ooh, this one was nice. So you might have to like cut couple extra ones because some of them don't turn out as good. especially on the white one, I mean blue ones, because it shows, like the blue shows a lot if it's too short on the sides.
Whoever said they do it hasn't never seen me do it, that's just apparent. I hate myself, I agree, that's a sentiment that we sharing. You should never be content with your shit, matter of fact, you should be.
For this, I think this is nice. I really think this is nicer. Come on, man. This just looks so mean. Dude, this is it. Like, this is way better than the other one. There is no competition. Oh, alright, well that's how you make it. You can do it for the rear ones too, but I don't have it on the rear. So I'm ordering one soon and then doing it to the rear ones. Actually, I'm picking up another trunk. So stay tuned for that, because I have some plans for the rear. Actually, a lot. 2 things are coming for the rear, 3 things are coming for the rear. And, or you could say 4 things. And I might make a custom piece, so that's 5 pieces. And then for the front, 1 piece is coming for the front, 2 pieces are coming for the front, and that's it. And rims, we might have to do something. But I'll have a full breakdown of my build so far, what I done to it, when I'm done putting every part that I ordered and have on it. But as of right now, this is what you see, and I will do a full breakdown. And I have some videos, I have a lot of videos that I need to upload still. So yeah, hopefully you guys like that video of making your custom ones, because I seen on the Amazon, even Amazon, that's cheapest, or eBay, they sell these for like 19 or around 10. Like, it's not worth it. Like, just buy your vinyl wrap or get it from your friend, or leftover vinyl wrap from your car. You can fucking do this, or just buy it in a store or something, Walmart, I'm not sure. But that's how it goes down. I hope you guys like this one. I really like how it turned out, and stay tuned for more.